Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching from. It's another day. Today we get to go to work. So yesterday, just a recap, small recap. We did the airbags right there, so that's done. The truck is looking clean. And this morning, my guy changed all those belts. And I'll just show you one more thing. We did these belts right here. There's one and those three over there. So, yep, that should give us. And also I think he did adjust here because I was getting some contact. So he adjusted that. So that was nice of him. So what we're gonna do right now is we're just gonna start the truck and hopefully, no issues. I think he, oh, I'll show you. Here are the belts that he took off. Do you see this? I don't know if you can see this through it. Yeah, it's quite visible there. So once the belt starts getting this kind of cracks, usually it's time to change it. Or if you wait too long, then it's definitely gonna fail on you while you're on a trip. This one doesn't seem to show anywhere. This one seems to be okay. So what I'll do, I'll save this belt right here, and in case I lose one, then I could use that one. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna start the truck. Sometimes you just wait for the gauges to sweep like so, and then once they come back, she's ready. All right, let's give it a shot. There we go. I'll show you guys. I think I forgot to show you guys the, what do you call it? The slack adjuster. It's looking pretty good. If I do say so myself, I'll show you. All the way at the end. And right here is the slack adjuster. It's looking pretty good. He greased it up. I think he greased all of them. So it's looking pretty good. That's how a slack adjuster looks like. And now, braking is better. So another thing I noticed is, well, when I started the truck after he changed the belt, the fan is touching the shroud and it's not moving. So just gotta loosen the shroud right here on the bottom. The shroud is touching the fan. So what we're gonna do, oh yeah, is really on there. So what we're gonna do, he's gonna come back and he's just gonna loosen it just a little, and that should be good to go. And while he's doing that, I'll start putting the stuff in the truck and we'll be out of here in a short time. Come along for the journey. All right, we just picked up a load here in Atlanta, and this is a load of chemicals. And one thing with this is you gotta strap them down. This is liquid, and you need a CDL endorsement for, I forget which one it is, but I'll figure it out. I'll let you know, but you gotta make sure that this load is strapped down, that way it doesn't move back and forth. And look at the staggering on that load. He has them all in a straight line all the way up to there, and then staggered them, put a couple of them on the side, that way no matter where I turn, this load is not gonna move. That's really helpful. All right, I'm just gonna close these doors and I'll see you guys over there. Oh yeah, it's a tanker endorsement. Tanker endorsement, that's what you need. Because liquid, you need to know how to control your braking, you need to learn how to control that fluid when it's moving back and forth, and what to expect when you're driving down the road and you need to stop. So it's all about anticipation and managing
your moves. So I had forgotten that. All right, I'm gonna get rolling here. I'm gonna be stopping maybe at one more place because I need a front steer, rather a steer tire. So I'll probably be stopping at that place that I know I'm gonna get one, and I'll show you guys how that installation process goes. All right, shortly. Good afternoon. We are in Croydon, Pennsylvania. So we're here. Got our load ready. Get uploaded. We're gonna be taking door number 10. That load right there is getting ready to get off. They usually make you wear a helmet, safety glasses, and also arm sleeves. Whatever they got going on here must be some serious stuff. Oh, I should have showed you guys. So this strap was like this, and the way to make sure to unstrap it or to loosen it is just pull this handle right here, and this handle releases the lock. That way it doesn't ratchet up. So you release it, and if you look at this, there's a notch right there, and what that notch is going to do is going to push this out so that the belt is released. So there we go, it's touching, and just a little tag. There we go. And now I can pull the belt out. Just like that. It's loose. And this is an e-truck, and this is how we take this off. Very neat features that are going on here with these belts. I love them because they don't come loose, and they're easy to put on and off. All right, let's go get in the door. Door number 10. It's quite a day here in Pennsylvania. I'm thinking door number 10 is probably going to be right here, so let's go get that done.